Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, driver airbag, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defroster, passenger airbag, CD player, side airbag, power windows, power door locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.